Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Pooja और आज की वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल होने वाली है बिकॉज आज मैं आपसे शेयर करने वाली हूँ अपना बहुत ही इजी नो फाउंडेशन मेकअप लुक एंड आई होप आपको ये पसंद आए. इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर बिगिनर्स. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. बिफोर गेटिंग इन टू द वीडियो थोड़ा सा कैमरा जूम कर लेती हूँ. आई थिंक दिस लुक्स बेटर नाउ. और अब हम शुरू करते हैं अपना मेकअप. So I always start my makeup with this primer. I feel this is the best primer in the most affordable range. I've been using this primer for quite some time and trust me, it works wonder on my skin. So I'll quickly apply it. We will move on to concealer. So I use this LA Girl Pro concealer. Shade in this is Classic Ivory. If you are close to my shade, then I think this would work for you as well. I'll just quickly open my mirror. I recently bought this. Just look at this. I have a very screwed up sleeping schedule. I'm not using the orange corrector this time. Since we are not using any foundation, I'll apply a lot of concealer because I do have a lot of pigmentation and acne spots on my skin. Now we're using this beauty blender and I'll quickly blend. Can you see the difference on my skin? I hope you can. So yeah, this is now what my face looks like after concealing. I will put the links of all the products that I'm using in the description below. I have ordered these products from the website Trell. They are having a huge discount up to 80% on their website. You can use my code PIXIEC26 for additional 20% discount. So I feel if you are in need of ordering good makeup, good fashion, beauty, lifestyle related products, so you should go and definitely check out this website Trell. Moving on to the next beauty product. After I conceal my face, I use Forever 52 ka banana powder. I think I'm totally in love with this. Let's just apply. It comes with this pad. Let's see. You can also use a brush to apply this, but I think I'll just go with this one. Sort of mattify your face and your face looks amazing after that. I think I'll use a little bit more. I think our base here is done. After doing that, I just quickly move on to my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I like to use this Maybelline 24 Nudes palette. I know this is not for the eyebrows, but somehow I just love the color. I use this color right here. I like to keep my eyebrows a bit natural, so I'm not doing बहुत ज़्यादा. Does it look good? Work you just done. Looking cutie. I think this video will go after Valentine's Day. तब तक आपने अपना Valentine's Day मना लिया होगा. So let me know in the comments below. How was your Valentine's? How did you celebrate it? What was your makeup look? So now we are moving on to eyeshadow. I think a good eyeshadow can make or break your look. So I'm going for nudes, neutrals today. Let's see how it turns out. So I'm using this beautiful palette from Makeup Revolution and this is beautiful. When I say it's beautiful, it's actually very gorgeous. Just look at the colors. They look so pretty. I think I'm going to try that viral makeup hack जो भी चल रहा है, like going from the lighter shade to the darker shade. We will go with these three shades. Can you see? This one, it's Magnetic, Sensation and Sweethearts. As you can see, I've just applied these three colors. I've not blended it at all. Now I'll use a brush. I'm sorry, I'm not able to speak properly. But now I'll just use a brush and uske baad I'll blend it. You can see I'm not even clearing the brush because I want all the colors to blend in very perfectly. Now I'll use the first color, the lightest one, Sensation, and I'll just put it here and a little bit here. Okay, so this has given us a very basic base. I'm using this concealer again. So I'll put it below the crease line because I am planning to give myself a pop of color. So this is what I've done right now. मैंने अपना concealer थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे मेरा फैल गया, but कोई नहीं, I'll do it. ऐसे put कर लिया. So now I will use a different color. Here I'm using this Lovesick color. and I'll just apply it. Like this time you're just applying it on it. This is what my eyes looks like up here. Now I'll just clear everything जो eyes के नीचे गिरा है. I'm gonna use this kajal from Forever 52. With using this brush, I'm gonna smudge my kajal a bit. Now my eyes have started to look a bit pretty. I'm thinking कि मैं लाइनर लगाऊँ कि नहीं लगाऊँ. I think लगा लेना चाहिए. Done. Okay, I forgot to tell you which liner I use. So this is Lakme Absolute. Now I'll move on to the mascara. Using this Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. Now I'm using this blush and highlight palette from LA Colors to quickly give a pop of color to my cheeks. So guys, this is what my face looks like now after a lot of blush. Now I'm quickly gonna apply my recent favorite lip shade. It's from K Beauty. This is in the shade Fraternity. Alright, so this is what the shade looks like. And I think I am ready.
My perfect date starts in a small cafe. There's hearts everywhere cause it's Valentine's Day. We order up waffles, then share the whole plate. Sit by the window.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope आपको पसंद आई हो. अगर आपको पसंद आई है तो please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you're on this channel for the very first time, please check out all my videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I make pretty awesome content on all my socials. So follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Snapchat. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.